For years, people believed that making real money from recycling meant you needed a big industrial plant, a huge warehouse, heavy machines, a team of employees working all day, and an investment that could scare anyone. But things have changed. These aren't toys. They're powerful, compact recycling machines that can fit in your garage or even on a tabletop. No staff needed, and these machines can turn waste into steady income for anyone. Today, I'll show you 7 machines that turn everyday trash into real cash while cutting down waste. If you want to earn money, pay your bills, and feel good about helping the environment, stay with me until the end. Because the machine at number 4 transforms your kitchen waste into a natural fertilizer that gardeners call liquid gold.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions.
Number 1. PET Plastic Recycling Machine. PET plastic is everywhere. From beverage bottles to food packaging, it's used daily. But when thrown away, it can take hundreds of years to break down, polluting rivers, oceans, and landfills. With a PET recycling machine, you can turn this waste problem into a profitable business. The cost of a small PET recycling machine ranges from $1,500 to $3,500, depending on automation and capacity. The machine collects, washes, shreds, melts, and molds PET into new products like fibers for clothes, reusable plastics, parts for cars, or eco-friendly brands. Start a PET recycling business in your city. Supermarkets, restaurants, bars, industries, and households produce tons of plastic waste every day. You can collect this plastic for free or charge a small fee, process it, and sell the recycled PET to companies, clothing makers, or construction businesses that need sustainable materials. Using the machine is simple. Just feed the bottles or packaging into it, start the melting and shredding process, and it will turn into granules or fibers. Some advanced models automate washing and melting, making it faster. Maintenance is simple. Just keep the blades clean and check the machine regularly. On average, small PET machine can process about 50 to 100 kilograms per day, generating around $50 to $100 daily. This adds up to $1,500 to $3,000 per month in profit with one machine, depending on local demand. Besides making money, P-cycling reduces energy use and saves natural resources compared to new plastic production. Number 2. Paper shredder. Paper is one of the most common materials we use, but it's also one of the biggest environmental problems. Offices, schools, and homes produce tons of paper every day, most of it ending up in the trash. A paper shredder can turn this problem into profit. A small commercial paper shredder costs between $400 and $1,000, depending on capacity and features. It cuts paper into small pieces or strips, making it easier to store, transport, and recycle. Shredded paper can be turned into cardboard, insulation, or fuel briquettes. You could start a paper collection and shredding business locally. Businesses, schools, notaries, and homes all need paper shredded for secure disposal. You can charge for shredding services or sell shredded paper to recycling plants. The machine is easy to use. Insert the paper, set the shredding size, and it does the rest. Maintenance is simple. Just clean and lubricate the blades. A paper shredder can handle about 100 to 200 kilograms per day, generating around $40 to $80 daily. That's $1,200 to $2,400 per month in profit with one machine, making it an affordable and practical way to earn money while helping the environment. Number 3. Glass crusher. Glass is recyclable, but millions of bottles and jars are thrown away daily, harming oceans, landfills, and wildlife. A glass crusher turns this waste into valuable materials. Small desktop glass crushers cost around $800 to $2,000, depending on size and automation. They crush glass into small fragments or fine powder, which can be sold to factories or artisans for new products. Raw glass can often be collected for free from bars, restaurants, or hotels. Once crushed, it can be used to make new containers, cement, garden decorations, or artistic mosaics. You could also make your own products like decorative items to sell online or at local markets. Operating the machine is simple. Feed bottles or jars into the crusher and it will shred them into usable material. Advanced models may automate feeding, saving time. Maintenance is easy, requiring just regular cleaning. A glass crusher can process about 50 to 150 kilograms per day, generating roughly $30 to $70 daily. That adds up to $900 to $2,100 per month in profit with one machine, depending on demand in your area. Stay tuned. The next machine is one of the easiest ways to turn kitchen waste into real cash. Number 4. Automatic composter. Food scraps and organic waste are one of the biggest wastes we generate every day, but they can become valuable with the right machine. The automatic composter turns leftovers, fruit peels, leaves, and even small branches into ready-to-use compost in just a few hours, without the bad smell of traditional composting. Small automatic composters cost between $500 and $1,500, depending on capacity and features. They are compact, easy to operate, and can even fit inside a home or a small shed. Some models even run on solar power, making them ideal for eco-conscious customers. The machine is simple to use. Just add the organic waste, start the machine, and in hours it produces high-quality compost that can be sold to urban gardeners, organic farms, or landscaping businesses. You could also package it in small bags for local consumers or sell large quantities to distributors. An automatic composter can process about 20 to 50 kilograms of organic waste per day, generating $20 to $60 daily. This adds up to $600 to $1,800 per month in profit with one machine. Maintenance is minimal, requiring only occasional cleaning. Starting an automatic composting business not only generates profit, but also helps reduce landfill waste, supports sustainable agriculture, and creates a positive impact on the environment. With this machine, organic waste becomes money and value, making it a great option for anyone wanting a small eco-friendly business. Number 5, can press. Every day, restaurants, bars, businesses, and even homes discard large amounts of aluminum cans, which often end up in landfills, harming the environment. A can press can turn this waste into profit by compressing cans into blocks or bales that are easier to transport and sell. Small can presses cost between $300 and $900, depending on size and automation. The machine compacts cans, removing air and reducing volume, making recycling more efficient. These blocks can be sold to recycling centers or factories that use aluminum for new products. Running the machine is easy. Collect cans from local businesses, supermarkets, or households, feed them into the press, and it will compress them automatically. Some advanced models can automate feeding and pressing, saving even more time. Maintenance is simple. Just clean the machine and check moving parts. A can press can handle around 200 to 500 cans per day, generating $20 to $50 daily. That adds up to $600 to $1,500 per month in profit, depending on local supply and demand. Recycling aluminum with a can press is not only profitable, but it also helps conserve natural resources, reduces energy use, and supports the circular economy. For anyone looking for a simple, low-cost, eco-friendly business, the can press is practical, efficient, and provides steady income from a widely available waste product. If you're finding these ideas useful, hit like, comment your favorite machine, and subscribe for more ways to earn money while helping the environment. Number 6, used tire shredder. Every year, millions of tires are discarded, creating serious environmental problems. Tires take years to decompose and often end up in landfills or illegal dumps, contaminating soil and water. A used tire shredder can turn this waste into profit while helping the environment. The cost of a small tire shredder ranges from $1,500 to $4,000, depending on capacity and features. The machine cuts old tires into reusable rubber fragments that can be sold to industries, making flooring, shoes, asphalt mixes, or sports surfaces. Starting a tire shredding business is simple. You can collect tires from workshops, service centers, or local residents. The machine does the shredding work, and within a few months, you can recover your initial investment. Maintenance is straightforward. Just keep the blades and moving parts clean. A small tire shredder can process about 10 to 30 tires per day, generating roughly $50 to $100 daily. This can amount to $1,500 to $3,000 per month in profit with one machine, depending on the number of machines. This business is not only profitable, but also sustainable. In some regions, governments or environmental programs may offer incentives for tire recycling projects, making it even more attractive. By starting a tire shredding business, you become part of the solution to a serious environmental problem while earning steady income. Number 7, branch shredder. Branches and yard waste are often thrown away or burned, causing pollution and wasted resources. A branch shredder turns this organic material into valuable products, helping the environment and creating profit. Small branch shredders cost around $600 to $2,000, depending on size and automation. The machine can handle branches, small trunks, and other organic waste, cutting and shredding them into fragments suitable for composting, biomass fuel, or making recycled products like pallets or sawdust. Operating the machine is simple. Feed the branches into it, and it will shred them into usable material. Some advanced models automate the feeding process, increasing speed and efficiency. Maintenance is practical. Just check and clean the blades regularly. A branch shredder can process about 30 to 80 kilograms of branches per day, generating roughly $20 to $50 daily. That translates to $600 to $1,500 per month in profit, depending on the amount of material you can collect and sell locally. By starting a branch shredding business, you reduce waste, contribute to a circular economy, and produce materials that can be reused in gardening, energy, or manufacturing. This is a small, practical business with low cost, easy operation, and a positive environmental impact. So, there you have it. 7 incredible mini recycling machines that can turn everyday trash into money in your pocket. The best part is, most of these machines cost less than $4,000 to start. and they can generate daily profits from $20 to $100 or more, depending on what you focus on. From recycling PET plastic and paper to crushing glass, making compost, pressing cans, shredding tires, or turning branches into useful materials, there is a machine here for everyone. You can start small, work from home or a small space, and grow your business as demand increases. Now I want to hear from you. Which machine would you start with tomorrow? Comment below and share your thoughts. If you learned something valuable today, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more ways to earn real profits while helping the environment. And of course, if you know someone who wants to start a sustainable business, share this video with them. Together, we can reduce waste, create income, and make a real difference for our planet. Remember, true success begins with a smart idea and taking action.